staff brought her food and some drinks were also brought in. So after she had her breakfast, nag-start po yung booking procedure. So yun po. So when the booking procedure was witnessed by the lawyer, and when the photos were taken, the other the senators and the congresswoman and the staff were also in the conference room. So yun po. So when sabi po ni Director Roel Ubusan na matingnan at ma-prepare po yung detention facility if doon po iutos ng korte na i-detain si Senator De Lima.
Sir, saan exactly sa PNP Custodial Center siya i-detain?
Well, I asked from the HSS, they're preparing two possible spaces, ano? The one that was used by Senator Enrile, and the other one is the one used by the champion couple. So, I have no idea where exactly the two...
Yung kay Enrile katabi nung Kinabong and Chinggoy, so does this mean to say, okay lang yung female dun sa may area ng mga male detainees?
Titingnan po natin. Tatanungin po natin yung final later kung alin po ang magagamit na detention facility for Senator De Lima.
Sir, kanina sinabi po ni Senator Kiko Pangilinan that the blood pressure of Senator De Lima was elevated. Ano po yung blood pressure niya? And is this a cause of concern for the PNP or hindi naman?
Hindi naman po. Nag-normalize po. So when she was able to have her breakfast, meron po tayong medical doctor, a team that went inside to check her BP. And nung nag-normalize, that's the time na nag-decide po na to return the warrant. Kaya nga po biglang na-divert. I mean, originally, it was to look at the detention facilities, but because of the okay naman po si Senator De Lima, so the NCR, CIDG, nag-return sila nung warrant, including the live person of Senator De Lima sa RTC sa Muntinlupa.
Sir, initially, ang sinasabi po kanina ni Father Robert is that gusto sana nila wag nang isama sa Muntinlupa si Senator De Lima. Was it a request na hindi na pagbigyan or nag-volunteer na lang din siyang sumama?
Well, we were prepared there, kaya nga nung dinala siya sa RTC is when we returned the warrant, including the subject of the warrant, eventually the court, the judge asked for the presence. So kaya nga po she was initially in the coaster, but eventually the live person of Senator De Lima was brought to the sala of the judge, the issuing judge.
Sir, is there a separate cubicle or room ba na female and male doon sa loob ng custodial center? O pare-pareho lang na kahit sino pwede?
Hindi po, meron po yan. I will get the details coming from the custodial center chief para ma-explain kung ano yung, kasi bawal naman po tayong kumuha ng photo o video po nung facilities.
But pa-describe na lang.
Yes, we will get the description. Kasi meron po yan. It's a we will have a description of what are how it look like, tapos what are... Yes, I will we will ask po kasi kanina nagtanong ako kung saan posible ilagay. The two areas now were mentioned, but the description hindi po naibigay sa atin kanina.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, there are many parang concerns about the safety and the ability of the PNP to basically provide protection and safety for her. She spoke about her peers as well and also her lawyers. Is it something that you can assure, given that obviously the reputation of the police has been, affected over one allegation over another?
Okay, if it is Santa Isabel, Dumlao and the party ang magpoprotekta sa kanya, may question. But definitely with the Chief PNP and the members of the HSS, CIDG, we will make sure that she's safe and secure while in our custody. Well, if that could be allowed, then
So hindi siya na-resolve kanina?
hindi po. Kasi yung detention facility is for those who are committed. If we put a OSAA personnel there, we'll see kung ano yung magiging desisyon. Because we are following the order of the court. If wala naman nung nakalagay. Unless may tingnan ho natin. So, we will let you know what will be the final arrangement.
Dito, Pangilinan, Director Ubusan himself has agreed to this setup.
Well, yun nga po, ang namamahala ng custodial center. So there will be a coordination. We will let you know what will be the final coordination because once na nasa custodial center yan, it is HSS. Opo.
Sir, last question, sorry. What sort of freedoms will she be given? Will she be able to have access to her phone? How often will she have visitors? Can you tell us?
Meron pong regulation ang custodial center, but definitely the lawyer will be accessible to her 24/7. The family, meron pong visiting hours at may limit po 'yan. So susundin po natin yung established regulations of the custodial
What
center.
about members of her party, for example? For example, if the former president wants to...
Then what I know is they have to write the chief PNP and those that would like to go there would have to inform the chief and the approval of the chief PNP para maka-access.
So this is not part of the visiting rights of a person detained at the PNP Custodial Center?
Hindi po, meron po. In the past, the family and the lawyer, the immediate family, the others have to write a letter.
Sir, one of those questions also, they were asking Senator Pimentel, I'm not so sure if it was really him, but he also said they're looking at if she will still be able to perform her functions as senator. Is it something that they've discussed with you? Will she have access to her emails? I mean, because does it basically abolish her role as
No,
a senator? And can she still function even with
Yes, she can. That could be arranged. Ano po. Pero in the past, we have detained a sitting senator. Di ho ba? So, hindi ho bago sa custodial center ito. Ito po ay meron na ho tayong mga pamamaraan na nagawa in the past and this can be done again. Pwede po, ano yan. Basta it's properly coordinated and proper authority is and permit is given.
Sir, yung PNP ba yung nag-request na makuha yung custody ni Senator De Lima?
Hindi po kasi ako umakyat doon sa sala. I had to look at sa baba. So I will ask CIDG NCR if they made that request. But the court had it that the senator be placed here in Camp Crame.
Sir, for the record, ilan na ang... Sir, for the record, ilan na ang total number of detainees sa custodial center and ilan ang female detainees? Si Senator Laila lang.
We will have that data from custodial service, yung custodial center.
Sir, kanina you mentioned about two possible areas where she will be detained. So ano sir magiging basis on choosing the area where she will be detained?
This morning, the Director Ubusan was asking if she can look at the detention facility.
So, siya ang pinapapili, sir.
And ipapakita po yun. Yes, ipapakita.
Sir, how about GPNP? How about GPNP na alam na niya nandun si De Lima and may instruction ba siya na bago or hindi siya na-
Yes, on instruction of Director Ubusan, I was sending text messages to the Chief PNP to update the Chief PNP of the ongoing activities dito sa Crame. So, alam.
May instruction ba siyang bago?
Wala naman po. Wala naman po.
Where is he?
He went to Cagayan after Kalinga. So, he's on the way.
Hindi natuloy sa Kalibang?
Yun nga ho. Kaya nga ho, nagmamadali din ho ako.
Kagayan siya ngayon, sir.
Or sasama kayo sa...
I cannot answer that question at this time.
Sir, yung paggabi po, sabi ni Senator, the CIDG broke the arrangement na dapat umaga na lang, tapos pumunta yung CIDG ng gabi sa Parañaque. Ano po?
Well, I have no idea or information of such an arrangement, but very clear in the implementation of the warrant is we can implement it at any time of the day and night. So, 8 o'clock was daytime. Normally, if you serve a warrant, early in the morning. So, I think nakapagpahinga naman po ng maayos bago po.
Parang sinasabi kasi na it was a bit unusual na parang normally pag ang warrant of arrest medyo gabi na inilabas, pinapagpabukas na. Pero on her parang part, parang talagang kahit na gabing-gabi na.
Hindi po because the warrant was given to CIDG, so they had to arrange for the team, including female police officer that would join the team. So they at that time, last night, they knew that the subject was heading for her residence, so they find it fit na they go to the residence to effect the arrest. Finding that the subject is not there, they went to the Senate ground and naayos naman po yung usapan. Hindi naman po pinilit o nirespeto po yung pakiusap na there's a better arrangement before the arrest be made.
Sir, going back to the presence of OSA, just in case it will be granted, is it a bit unusual? Kasi kapag, halimbawa, katulad sa Senator Bongbong and Senator Jinggoy, wala namang mga taga-usahan na babantay sa kanila.
Wala po. It's only the members of the custodial service personnel and staff. So, tingnan natin kung ano po yung magiging tamang arrangement.
Sir, last night, ang sinasabi ni Senator De Lima, may arrangement na sila with Secretary Sueno. And they agreed na ibigay yung request niya. Now, uwi siya ng bahay, babalik siya sa Senate, na-arrestuin siya ng alas 6 ng umaga. And she was telling the media that nagbago yun dahil ang order of the Chief Bato is to arrest her immediately. So, what's the real score?
I will check on that. Ano? Kasi kung susundin naman natin yung order ng korte, we cannot, a peace officer, they follow the order of the court, they will implement it any day, any time of the day and night.
So regardless of the order of the DILG chief?
Well, if the order was given, kami, sumusunod po kami. So,
Is it the order of the PNP chief not to allow
wala po akong information doon.
yung appeal?
Apo. So, we will have to look at what were the orders given, what was actually given. Baka naman po hindi ho iba ho talaga. So, mahirap naman hong alamin ho natin and we will let you know what was the order given by the chief or the DILG chief.
Ang itsura po ba ng mga detention cell sa PNP Custodial Center, pare-pareho lang? Is it uniform? Halimbawa, kay Jinggoy, kay Bong, ganun din ba yung nandun kina Tiangson? Para at least we have an idea of how it looks like.
We will let the custodial center describe it to you. Mahirap din ho kasi syempre meron ho din silang dahilan kung bakit ho nila hindi pinapakita yan sa looban. But definitely, they're doing their role, their function of keeping safe and secure detainees under their care. Pag dinescribe ho natin yung bawat sulok ng kanilang pasilidad, mayroon pong magkakaroon po tayo ng konting problema dyan. So I will let them describe to you what they can give you.
Pero ang pagkain, bibigyan ba ng custodial o kailangan sila mag-provide?
Meron po tayong provisions for their meals. But hindi naman po pinipigil na makapagdala yung mga kamag-anak ng pagkain na hinihiling po nung kanilang mga kamag-anak na nakaditine.
Will she be allowed to function as senator right inside her detention?
Malalaman po natin kung that request is going to be given. Oh.
So how would you
Kasi
discuss?
example po, yung isang ordinaryong detainee, doktor, at siya ho ay na-detain dahil meron ng sala, hindi naman ho siya nakakapag-function bilang doktor eh. Di ho ba?
So it's up to the Senate or
We'll see. Yun po. Kasi yung tingnan lang ho natin kung yan ay mapapagbigyan, mauutos ho ng korte. Kami po kasi sumusunod po kami sa pag-uutos ng korte.
How would you describe the process ng pagkaka-aresto kay Senator? Perfect ba kasi wala namang nangyaring untoward incident? And so,
Well, on the part of the PNP, specifically the CIGG NCR, yung request naman po ng Senado na pagbigyan, yung pinag-uutos po ng aming pinuno ay nasunod at nandun naman po when she was escorted from the Senate ground to the Congress, nandun po yung OSAA with the Senate security. Even during the process, yung kanyang booking process, meron pong members of the OSAA. And there are other personalities present yun lang na hindi ho tayo napagbigyan na tayo ay nandun din po.
So,
And
sir,
then yung rights naman ni Senator, we believe hindi naman na-violate during the arrest.
Wala naman po because I believe the CIDG NCR nung in effect po nila arrest yung kanya pong Miranda rights were stated to her. Maayos naman po yung pagkain and actually very cooperative po si Senator De Lima during the booking process. Mabilis kaya mabilis pong natapos.
Sir, were there readjustments on your part in order to assure the senator na safe siya? Kasi yun yung palagi yung sinasabi na I'm scared for my safety.
Wala naman po kasi safe naman po yung ibang mga senators na nandito po sa kustodiya ng PNP. We will have the same template. Ito nga lang po, we may have a little changes being a member of sa babae po, di ba? So yung specific siguro na magbabantay sa kanya would be of the same gender, yung location, but sanay na ho yung custodial service natin na ito secure high profile detainees sa facilities.
yung sa booking process, pwede ba natin ilabas yung mugshot?
Wala pa akong clearance. So kasi nga nung nandun, I asked na no other documentation or photos be allowed. So kaya nga nung I was told na may lumabas, I'm trying to get a clearance na kung since meron hong lumabas na ganyan, definitely hindi ho nanggaling ho yan sa amin, hindi ho nanggaling sa crime lab kasi yung angulo
Again,
so it was not a photo of the booking process, it was an activity, one of the activity na kinunan lang at unfortunately yun sa amin po nailabas naman po.
And who will decide whether the mugshots will be released?
I will ask yung operating unit.
Sir, kasi parang you could remember that kay Senator Bong siya kay Senator Jinggoy na ilabas. Pero kay Senator Enrile, hindi inilabas never. So parang may inconsistency sa rules ng PNP
Opo.
when it comes to releasing
Ang magiging tanong ko dyan ay sino yung nag-release doon sa kay Senator Bong at kay Senator Jinggoy. The next question is sino yung authority for such release? Kasi kung may order na hindi mai-release yung kay Senator Enrile, then the PNP follows the order. Kaya nga po, if I understand your need, but I have to get the proper authority whether to release a copy or of the mugshot or an activity shot also. The activity shot, wala tayong problema doon. Kasi when we cover such, meron talaga tayo kinocovera natin yan. If you're okay with activity shot, then an activity shot can be released same way with the one that was earlier released today.
Was the PIO allowed to take photos during the proceedings dun sa booking process?
Booking process, it was the crime lab CIDG. So kami naman po is documentation. So we respect din yun. Like for example, having breakfast, hindi na namin pinapasok sa loob ng opisina yan. But the activity, we were documenting the activity. The mugshots were taken by CIDG and the crime lab.
So nung pumasok po siya sa custodian, meron ba siyang ibang kasama na supporters? And if meron po, hanggang anong oras po pwede sila?
I-check ko natin kasi kasama ho niya yung abogado. From Senate, dito, pagpunta sa RTC, pagbalik, kasama po niya yung abogado, meron ho siyang 2 staff, and she was accompanied by Congresswoman Kaka.
May interaction po ba siya with other
Other?
detainees mo?
Wala pa, hindi ko pa ho nakikita.
pero magkaka-interaction sila.
Meron po yan kasi meron hong time na hindi naman ho talagang secluded or ano siya
So they can go out of their room.
Yes, may mga oras po na ganyan. At saka may receiving area yan. When they receive their family members and their lawyers, meron pong receiving area.
Sir, kanina na-mention na may dala siyang mga libro. Pwede po ba yun?
I think it can be allowed. Ang bawal lang naman yung we'll see, I will look at the policy kasi yung cellphone, hindi yung gadget, laptops, hinihingi ho ng permiso yan eh.
Sir, so what is she doing now? Pending or awaiting the choosing of the particular detention cell
Opo.
where she will stay?
Yes, we arrived here at 12:15 dumiretso po muna sa CIDG headquarters, definitely to have some food, lunch. And then now, ito pong after this, I will refer you to the CIDG PIO to update you on what is yung mga kaganapan.
Can he also come here to talk to us?
I will ask him.
Or at least yung sa HSS to describe to us yung mga questions that were left unanswered.
Sige, ano ko po kay Ayn, so I can also attend to the next engagement. Opo.
Bakit po si Diane sa bakit si Senator Laila ay we have
I think it's the order of the court. Opo.
Sir, last. So, yung request niya na para makapagtrabaho siya as senator, it's a basis for her to choose which detention facility or detention cell will be appropriate for that.
Kung ano po ang maaaring mai-provide ng custodial center. Yun po. Okay?
Sir, allowed ba siya makapili ng kung saan siya? Kanya gusto niya.
Hindi no, the facility is there. It's just what is the best for her security and safety. She feels kaya nga there yung options the custodial service center has prepared at least the two previously occupied facility. So yun po ang tinitingnan ho dyan. I will let the custodial service describe to you yung lugar. Oh. Hindi pa ho kasi ako nakukulong doon.
Dadalawin ka lang.
Okay po, maraming salamat. We will go to the next engagement.
Senator De Lima gets to pick which of the two spaces available will interview.
Hindi po, ipapakita po yon kung aling available facility, and then sila na ho ang mag-uusap. You know,
So she can choose.
I cannot categorically say that she can choose. We'll be prepared to, we'll see who will make the decision. Apo. Oo. Paul, paano kayo? Oo, si Ayn.
Sir, pwede po ba ngayon?
Alin, ma'am? Oo, paano ko na ngayon? Okay, sige po. Oh. Activity shot, no problem. Opo. Kasi just to balance, di ba? Pero yung actual mugshot kasi hindi kami ang kumuha eh. Oh, hindi ano. Sige po, thank you.